shit out of the ocean.
God damn it! I'm ticked. I'm sick of this shit.
I'll eat it.
Can't we get like
Give
I
it
want
to
a
Mikey.
good steak, you know, a nice little steak. I mean, this shit's gonna make me sicker than a dog.
Look at him.
Sick of this shit.
Oh,
Why do we have to eat this?
yeah.
This is crazy.
Where's the rice? The other camp got rice. We're gonna starve.
Oh God! I just need to be alone.
I need a napkin, honey.
Oh God!
Can I get a napkin?
What do you think this is? Napkins? Was that in your special items list?
Oh God!
Oh no. We're gonna.
Oh, we won the challenge today.
Who won the challenge?
Marty did.
We ought to at least be able to have napkins.
Oh, did it say you're challenged or?
No, I didn't
Oh,
say
he's definitely
challenge.
challenged.
I said we won the challenge. These little claws were pretty good.
This would be perfect for my hot flashes. Look at these little fan tails. Aren't they so cute?
We'll make short work of this little booger.